In today's video, I'll show you how to install the ChromatiX graphics mod in GTA 5 Enhanced and compare the improved lighting, colors, and realism. Check my video description for this mod link. Under downloads, select this link, Drive Google, check download anyway option, and wait for this to downloads done. Check my video description for these other two required mods, Script.v and OpenRPF. Once the download done, right click on the ChromatiX and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open this ChromatiX folder. Close tab here and right click on the game and select Open File Location. Then drop these two files inside the game folder. Select Replace the file in the destination. And once done, go back and open this OpenRPF. Drag and drop this ASI inside the game folder. Then go back to Script.bin. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Once this done, close tab here and launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.